No far away, now go get no money, but me.
It's the same.
Look at the gas. Damn.
Why don't you say so? Didn't make you know it, like when you think you're wrong. I got to get your focus. Why don't you say so? Didn't want to know it, didn't you in the moment? Oh, hey, 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 oh. So.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Spicy Week. So, dancehall artist, Queen of Stage, Spice Official, is once again, trending on social media with her new, what you call it, the viral 2020 song, what she drop what day? On February 20, 2020. Pre the video.
Wake up February 2020, and I wonder me get so much hate and envy.
Okay, so after she dropped that video, she decided to have a little competition giving away $400,000 to her fans them. The ones them who can actually do a video, upload it on them social media, singing the song and knowing the lyrics word for word. And here are some of the submissions.
Wake up February 2020, and I wonder who me get so much hate and envy. No, enough for them bad mind, but me money look plenty waste and bad coming, but the pocket empty them.
Them wicked long time from 19th century, but that era them even differently. Hate me through me wear Lola frenzy. Where them there when me not even have a panty. Me want rich like Rihanna Fenty. But if your thing look hefty, them your haters plenty.
Okay, yeah, me not gonna lie, a couple of them go on, but a couple of them, every little competition go on, like them, they enter up, pick up themselves same way. So now, let me just show you how legendary Spice is. So, you have the competition, Spice decided, say, she want to give out the winnings, but in a one different creative fashion. And this is how she did it. Pre.
Nah complain, me nah fit explain out a fight when me get a sanity me make. Live for me, me match up with him panic membrane. Run queen, make them farm me a train. Them no like me and the plane, so me hold me lane. Them set up campaign for me career abstain. Try sustain to make peace remain. Only God alone can fall rain. Believe them to 60, 70, exodus the commandment state. No coffee shows never leave earth, one back say all of us. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Rich chorus. Spit no chorus, me nah got time to spit no chorus. Too much for my brain to discuss, me nah spit no chorus.
No, me would like to know who the Spice team will come up with them idea, yeah, because me don't know between she and the dancer them and whosoever else Spice. Loki is a marketing genius, like honestly, enough of them agency here will work around and work for different companies. They need for a book Spice because Spice look like she know the things them, she have the ideas them, and she have the vision. Okay? And also, Spice was awarded as Entertainer of the Year by the Caribbean Club at Harvard University. So a big deal settings, I know Spice wasn't going to just like make somebody collect it fair because so once you hear Harvard, say you have to rush out there and make people see the association there and make them know say a thing not normal. And that's exactly what Spice did.
For this recognition, and I'm extremely honored to be standing here today as the recipients of the Harvard Caribbean Club Entertainer of the Year. And thank you so much.
Well, boy, me have to just say congratulations, Spice. You are the queen of stage, queen of dancehall, and you're just doing, a really good job. So big up, man. Number 9, gas station blaze. Me fire brigade. Some time ago there was this video that circulated on social media showing a gas station in Mandeville, and you saw the leak just underground. And there were the gas station attendants just walking around. I guess motorists, you had taximen, pedestrians just moving around, with the leakage on the premises, and nobody thought it was. I don't know, I guess they didn't realize the impending danger, and soon after, everything just, went ablaze, and it was just quite, this looked like one of them scenes where you look on them moving like Fast and Furious. It just never looked like real life, and the onlookers that were just there like so near to the area, they realized that one could have been in danger as well. Anything could have just exploded right in front of the face, and one could have been casualties. So we have to just be very careful and a 60-year-old man, he lost his life. We saw the video as well. That was showing that probably over 95% of his body was burnt. It was burnt badly. And so condolences to him and his family. And so I just hope that, you know, we are just more vigilant and try to help each other when these situations pop up. We can't be so quick to take out our phones and record somebody with badly damaged body and nobody's thinking, say, oh, can I have some water and this brother can't get him to the nearest hospital. There's basically nothing that we're doing. So we'll have to do better with that. And boy, like, let me know what were your thoughts when you saw the videos and, you know, when you realized that people didn't realize the harm that was in front of them. Sound off below. Number 8, Koffee's sister. My Blue Mountain. So this video I saw on Facebook, and boy, when I first looked at it, nobody could tell me say I never Koffee Grammy reggae winning Koffee. The Koffee was saying toast. That did a dance. So you know when we see the video after me I talk about Koffee and her interesting style of dancing upon Wilding Out, I was just like, so let me tell you, Koffee go back to the drawing board and she go learn some, you know, some little African moves and she bring it in for go show people them say, yo, them do more than her. But when you take a deeper look, you realize, yeah, na Koffee, this is our long lost sister called Minty. No, that girl, Joanna, Joanna. Ayagosa, boom bang bang, boom bang bang, boom bang bang. Oh, na. This time for Africa, samina, waka, You know them type of African dance. Well, let me know what you thought about this video, Burritos. Don't tell me down below if you agree that this could have passed with Koffee twin. If Koffee is ever in need of a stunt double, you need to go find a girlie and just book her. Okay? Number 7, Popo remarks. So I saw this video on Twitter and it showed a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and it basically, I guess he was leaving a premises and, you know, about to go in a jeep when he decided to utter some remarks to people who were nearby. And this is what he said, pre.
Control a question alone can run Jamaica. When you do nicely, you know what? Sorry, ma'am, hello, that them the thing they don't. So when government talk about they come out here and be nice to people. Nice to what? No nice.
Okay, wow. Yeah, No, many people online found his remarks very distasteful. I am one of them people that will say, maybe the delivery, but I do think there is some merit to what he is saying. I've actually witnessed police trying to do the nice guy approach, and the same man them, when they bought the place, just say, yo, I idiot, Asafa police, and I've heard them say them little things there. So I can only understand that sometimes the police have to really, you know, jump to the Renata Adams level there for kind of get some sort of respect and some sort of cooperation. But in the same breath, somebody raised a point online, say, my better so when I'm going to look at Uptown Cherry Gardens and Long Mountain area, they will not try nothing else but the nice treatment. And so, food for thought, don't it? Let me know, sound off below, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with the officer? Yes or no? Big up all the people in the live. And make sure to say you are. Subscribe. Number 6, ZJ Hanna. Me black belt. So, Miss World 1993, Lisa Hanna. Why every time I say that, I have to just remember it. Like, me don't know, like, I swat the information there in my brain, I'ma just know them two things there. Lisa Hanna is Miss World 1993, and she is a member of Parliament for Southeast Saint, and me don't know how me just know them information here, but it look like me just look on her bio on Instagram one time, and it just register in my brain. If only me could have remember my schoolwork, so when me there got Excel and me that broke. So anyway, so Zip FM now, every now and then them put on, them have them little celebrity segment where them, you know, invite a public figure for come on and, you know, basically be the zip jock for the day. So on this particular time, they had Lisa Hanna on, and boy, did Lisa Hanna bring the heat. Pre.
Do you know what it means to have a
No, I actually did a video some time ago with Lisa and them time I realized she have a little musical taste because I was all very surprised when me in the car and you know and she the ones who in charge of the playlist. I must say Lisa and I drop RDX Catch.
What? Monday with the real sick girl a wine in a prime time. Bossa move. Yeah.
And we all have seen that viral little clipping of a video when she and Spice up on the panel and Lisa and I mentioned say her
I wouldn't talk about my pussy pretty if it turned back way, but but that's nice.
And so we know say Lisa and I know the thing them she connected, she know, you know, she have little flavor, so yeah, I hear that, okay? So what do you think about Lisa's selection on Zip FM? You think that she could have found a new career outside of politics? Sound up below. Number 5, high school contest. Me runner up. So, boy, I tell you, every year I look forward to this particular school. Any other school can have them Mr. and Mrs. high school competition, you know, but when the school do it, them do it with a level of flair. Them do it with a certain excitement. Them do it with a certain level of expectation. Them do it with in high regard. Them not do it in a one like a draggy way. Them do it in a way like so them represent the whole entire Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world. And this time, they are representing the entire galaxy. Who may I talk about? Titchfield High School and them Mr. and Mrs. Titchfield High Competition. Them pageant competition. When me no. When me tell you about proper production and setup and all kind of things, not for your high school, you know, man. Them not normal, you know. So them theme this year is like the galaxy, and them growing and do like different things to the planets. Them, so them have the men and them have the boys and the girls participating, and just take one look, people. Yes, what me talk about? It's shell. Slap her like box food out of one clumsy man hand. What? Seminole Burritos, what do you think of this production? What do you think of the gowns and the whole entire scenario that they came up with? Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Before the girls them sexy and young. Run along. Sing along. Well then, pick up the prenum.
Alright, so first up on the big up segment, I forgot big up my fellow content creators on their birthday. I have to go and big up Joker, my virgin, very talented graphic artist, videographer, and parkour athlete. And also I have to go and big up Keeping Up with Janelle. She celebrated her birthday. I tell you, the girl come out and all kind of things. I tell you, like girl, luscious lips and eyes and face and good cheeks and them something that she are have it in tons. And also I forgot to bring up the general, Jeffrey. And he celebrated his birthday as well. They don't know, say he is a past student of KC, so you know a lot of the KC people them can make sure say give him a strength and a heal up as well. And to make sure say you go over on him YouTube and subscribe to his podcast. It is called Let's Be Honest. I know also I released quite a bit of videos this week, including my review of the popular Netflix show Love is Blind. So if you never watch it, if you only catch up a little bit but you want a whole summer of it, please go up here and go and check out my review. I promise you it will be fun and entertaining, okay? Also, I released my video for the whole entire Trinidad thing with Iowa Judge and Nicki Minaj and Mr. Petty. I don't want to miss that, so just go pre that right there as well. And finally, I absolutely have to big up the entire Jamaica Rum Festival team on an excellent production. Trust me, I had a lot of people who I knew went to the event on both days, and they only gave like really good remarks. Like everybody had a good feedback, apart from the little traffic issues and tickets, but that's like a good problem to have. When I'm talking about, I'm looking on social media, when I think about the presence that event had, I think a lot of other local events would be very envious and want to achieve something like what they did, and the event is only 2 years old. And so when we see it, and we keep on tell events, when you have an event, you need to have one social media area where everybody who reached it, them know, so this is an especially look good section where we need to go take all of my pictures them for Instagram, Snapchat, and wherever. And they had that, them have the little tunnel, and I say everybody will take them picture, them have the little green areas them, and it was just a good look. And on top of that, it was so cool to see the amount of creatives at the event. You had Rushcam there, him a do film thing. There was the girls from Next Chat, Netanya and Daniel. There was Shellan. There was just so many of the Twitter faves, and Yadman Ethan, he was there getting content as well, and it was definitely a good look. So big up the people from Mystique for putting on the event, and just a wonderful production and organization. Alright?
This is Original Koffee, and you're watching the DuttyBerryshow. Duttyberry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
Number 4, Safa new wife, Migungo. So, Sprinter Asafa Powell was surprised the other day when this lady visited his premises right outside his front gate and demanded to see her husband, and at the same time demanded that his wife Alicia Miller exited the premises and make space for she, Pre.
Wife. So she claims she's Asafa's wife, and this is her house, so we have to be evicted. Oh my goodness. She said his real wife is back. Jesus! Obsessed much? This is so scary. I can't deal. Oh wow. Oh wow. Jesus. God help her, Lord. Lord, I cannot.
So let me know, Burritos, what you thought of this entire situation. How do you think this woman even reached there, and where could I fly up in her head for she gone up at them yard to talk up these things? Comment down below. Number 3, baby boat journey, 100 meter. So, you know, say Usain Bolt and Casey Fennell are expecting their first child together, and it's just a matter of time until that baby are here. So the couple has been doing a lot of different cute videos on social media recently, kind of just showing the chemistry and the bond that they have together, but, you know, trying to develop and establish a solid unit before they, you know, welcome their child to Earth. And one of these videos is a video where Bolt did a, you know, him put on the Michael Bolton thing, you know, him in a John Legend and singing, serenading his lovely, beautiful baby, well, pendant baby mother, Casey. Free.
For the first time I laid my eyes on him, what emotion?
Yeah.
Speechless. Ooh, yeah. It's angel. Girl, I need your love. Girl, I need your touch.
No, let me tell you, Bolt is literally ticking off every different career path. The man is not leaving nothing to nobody else. Father, athlete, singer, DJ, businessman, everything, it all belongs to Bolt. And he stepped up the gimmicks and, you know, put out another video.
Yeah. Wanna go for a ride? Relax.
Who's that? Daddy Bolt?
Swagger.
Oh.
So let me know, Burritos, do you think that Bolt would be an excellent father? Sound off below. Number 2, uniform apology. Mid-detention. So, you know, so recently a lot of videos have been popping up about the place on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, not showing high school kids in the most positive light. And trust me, things got even worse after a video popped up online with some Wolmer's Boys students basically, let me just say, dunning the principal for Wilma's girls. Now, apparently the whole scenario is that the young men wanted to go over to the girls section and they were prohibited, I think that's the word, they were barred from going over there, and that never sit too well with them, and they decided, say, when them see the principal walk past, they are going to give her a piece of their mind.
You're better than a tsunami, girl. She thinks you're afraid. I look on her, sit down. You know, sir, frowns, you put. No, sir, good day. You can't put something down on the thumb, so you can't box it down. Come back here. Damn principal. That's why your man left you.
And trust me, people, when me I tell you, say it was utterly disgraceful, distasteful, it did, It's one of them things that where me just feel like, say, yo, Wolmers have the like a halo. You have some school in your mind, you just feel say have one halo, like Wolmers youth, them just read them Bible, you know, study them, look at timetable, them come in, them clean them, and take care of the environment, like you just feel like so Wolmers youth, not give no trouble. You know, them look at them not really give no little trouble, them just, you know, mind them business and, you know, them look at things that, you know what I mean I say? So when this video popped up now, it was very shocking to many, and just to, but it provided an insight to the type of things that a lot of the teachers are dealing with in the island. When I said that, like the students, some students can be so savage. It was embarrassing for the school, and since then, I guess some of the high schoolers of Wilma's boys, they decided to, you know, put them school reputation back in the high standing by releasing an apology to the entire Jamaica and to the whole school at large, on behalf of the misguided young men that decided to say some very vulgar words towards the principal of the adjoining female institution.
On February 21st, a group of our students viciously harassed, disrespected, and embarrassed the principal of our sister school, Mrs. Monty.
Use of expletives, hate language, and misogynistic comments were truly derogatory and unbecoming of our Wolmerians and true gentlemen should be.
So on behalf of the Wilmot Boys School Prefecture and the wider student body, we'd like to express our complete disgust and condemnation of the horrible incidents.
We are fully aware of the issues our women face in society as it pertains to the undermining and unequal treatment. And we would have never thought that our own students would only further compound the issue.
We are all at fault in some way for not ensuring that our young people display the gentlemanly conduct that we try to say here at Women's Boys School. And we all have been introspecting on ways to improve our effectiveness to leadership.
It is the harsh reality to face the fact that all women are subject to these abuse each and every day, and we can no longer condone these actions.
We can confirm that the perpetrators are currently being appropriately sanctioned, and we will ensure that atonement is achieved.
In Jamaica, we need more real men to stand up for the rights of our women. As the mantra of our principal states,
as a man, I protect women and children.
So I have to say big up to the Wolmers guys that did that apology. It is definitely a good look, and I hope say the young men that were in the video that did the whole cussing out thing, I hope say they got reprimanded, and just like, you know, they were spoken to and, you know, and apologize, because I just think that them just need to learn how to just deal with them anger and channel it in a different way. And on the girls' end of the thing now, you had some young ladies from Donald Quarry High. Now, these ladies now, them did have one of them, you know, them high school moment there, where you do a look of raid, look of war, look a lot of excitement, but the only thing is that they decided, say, they want to pretend to them, they want to dance to them, I go big up, look at girl them, and them, they kind of take things in our...
They don't know what I mean, them Jade and the presenters, school barbecue call. Education! They don't know say if you come up, up in the head to the telescope and looking at them, eh? You know, 9:30, bring your to the gate, bang! I don't know what say, we're outside, not the man them outside.
Because what you have to understand, say, I guess you can say certain things, but you see, when you have on your uniform, when you have on your school uniform, you are representing the school. And so it no longer becomes just about you. Now you're putting the school in a disrepute. And you just say the school name, and just go, oh, that is what you're doing. And so you can imagine the outrage for like the past students and just people in general that would not think about, that would not want to see Donald Quarry in a negative light like that. And so since then, I guess they were instructed to put out an apology, and they did, but the apology people, I don't know if it's more entertaining or more hilarious than the initial video they put out. Pretty.
Staff members of the Donald Quarry High School. My name is Jessica Johnson. I was the girl who led the viral video, and I am very sorry for my inappropriate and unnecessary expletives, and it will not happen again.
Good morning, viewers of all social media sites. My name is Brittany McLean. There was a video that went viral and it's very inappropriate. I just want to say I'm sorry for what I did. That was disobedience.
Good morning, social media. My name is Brittany Johnson. I'm truly very sorry for my indecent language. It was very disrespectful, and I'm very, very sorry. Thanks.
Good morning, social media sites. My name is Sherry Stellan. Although I wasn't in the video, I was still the one that videoed the girls on the viral video. I am very sorry.
Ma-comment them pa them apology, but I don't know if them be fake or not. Something about it just seemed like them a play the game, yeah, man. But anyhow, me have to just comment them pa them apology. So once again, big up Donald Choir, big up Woolmers. It was good to see the apology handed out, and hopefully that there won't be any of these situations in the future. And number one goes to Rosie Resurgence. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So you must remember this epic Jamaican personality. She was there from back in a nanny at maroon time. No, well, let me not say that. You must have remember Miss 30 Grand Rosie. You know that? Pimples, no mosquito bite?
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, everywhere. And I'm a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. I'm a 30 grand picture and a 30 grand rat, not all contractor.
So I scroll on Facebook now and I book up this video from the Jamaican Star, and it look like so they managed to get Rosie to have a little chat with them about a whole housing situation that is happening in her area. And this is Rosie in our full 100% style venting. Take a look.
Hurt the people them Aggie. I can't understand how them come bulldozer down the people them house.
A lie.
And no money now run. And me hear say them say, enough away, now go get no money. But let me tell you no this. Me a sell out my goodies them. And me a show my housing trust. So you say me don't sell out them, you not show my housing trust. You say if me no get my $30,000 and low, me not hungry, me not move.
real?
So all the soldier and the police and the full force but not go come in. You not have to go murder me. Cause me not move. Cause be a slackness a go on. You not give the people them heart tape.
No, Rosie is just venting and sharing her pain, but Rosie is just, she just does it in a one very entertaining style, and you just have to give her props.
Over here, sir. You not give the people them hell and powder house. Me not understand, no. Me want to know where I go on. Cause no.
Honestly, I'm just very grateful for seeing a video like this from Rosie where people are sharing around again, because I think Rosie is one of them original social media personality there. Long before the whole mackerel and candy there was Rosie, there was Clifton, and yeah, you know, and all of them something there, and Rosie, boy. We need more of you. I think I want to say Rosie meet up with mackerel and candy, and the three of them can be like social media, Destiny style, the poor people defender edition. And wait, the spirit that move me. I have one idea. Mackerel, candy, and Rosie. Yeah, man, I see it. Make idea. Oh, hold on. RMC, Rosie, mackerel, and candy. Or CMR, candy, mackerel, and Rosie. Anyway, no, pick it. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think is the best name we can give this trio? Sound off below. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed. Big up all the people who are on the live right now. If you're not on the live and you watch delayed and after the fact, make sure you go and leave a comment down below, because they know my hours are asking for the comments, and sometimes I only comment when they cost me off and them look at things there. So comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Also, to hit the thumbs up button, leave a like. It's as simple as that. It not even take 5 seconds. And what else? I want you to subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you have been watching my videos time and time again and you're still not convinced, means I'm working really hard, and hopefully at one point in time I will convince you to subscribe and be a part of the Burrito gang. So if you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok as well. And if you want to advertise in a social media account or just send me an email for promo, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, so take care until next week for another top 10 social media countdown. Take care. Box cover. Woo! Outro.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.